Good day, my name is Arese and this is Ophuzelani under Motion Pictures. So, Ophuzelani will read you stories from people who want to share their stories. Ukuthi baphuzelani, why do they have alcohol problems or inkinga yabo yotshwala iqale kanjani. So, today I have a story from someone who wanted me to share istory sabo ukuthi baqale kanjani ukuba yidakwa or baqale kanjani ukuphuza utshwala. So the story goes, I didn't always drink. I wasn't always this person. People look at me now and they whisper, there he goes again. But they don't know my story. So I asked you to tell it. Wacela mina ukuthi ngimtshele ukuthi story sakhe sihamba kanjani. Thi ngifundele ukuthi story sakhe sihamba kanjani. I didn't I drink because silence is loud. I drink because the people I loved are gone and I never had a chance to say goodbye. I used to have a family, a wife who made coffee in the morning, a daughter who ran to me when I came home from work. One rainy day, they were in the car, then the next thing, they were gone. I tried prayer, I tried staying strong, but the nights are long and quiet. And the silence hurts more than anything. I don't drink to get drunk, I drink to forget. This is it's I drink because in the moment I stop feeling. I drink because no one ever asks what's in it. And I'm grand. People don't. To those who judge me, I see you and born. But you only see the bottle, not the battle. Yeah, that's real. So if you're reading this for me, tell them I'm not just a drunk, I'm style. I'm a person who got broken and never healed. Umuntu obulala umhlaba. That's what guess it. Sometimes you drink not to celebrate, but because pain doesn't have an off switch. Yeah, that's it. Ucelile bhuti ukuthi ngishelele le story sakhe ukuthi uphuzelani. Ufike kanjani kule situation ukuthi saka isidakwa manje akakhoni ukuyekela utshwala. Now if we have a problem, ufuna ukuxoxela istory sakho ukuthi wena uphuzelani. Can be ukuthi we're having a fun moment or started as you having a fun moment. Asithola situation ukuthi uphuza njalo sowuze usicefe emphakathini. Yeah, my name is RSA and this is Motion TV. Thank you for watching.